everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is a really exciting haul. One thing I will say, the windows are open because it's hot. It's also a Saturday afternoon. I've been drinking wine. Me and Pat went to the pub and I've had 3 glasses of wine, large glasses, so I've had a whole bottle of wine. He's in there watching the football. If you hear any shouting, that's what it is. But I am here and I'm filming. More exciting than the Premier League being back. A Cherryz haul. Now I am so freaking excited about this video. So I did a haul with Cherryz last year. If you haven't seen it, I'll leave a little picture here and I'll leave a link in the bio. I keep saying bio. I'll leave a link for you guys in the description. But I did a video with Cherryz last year. Around the same time, it's about July last year I think, it was when Pat was living in his old flat and I got bits for like cleaning that, but obviously now, a year on, we live in our own flat, which is incredible. We are so beyond happy and like, I still look back now and think, how the hell have we done this? Like, we've achieved so much, we're living together and it's crazy. But yeah, I got some home bits from Cherryz and I also got some like food and stuff, so I thought I'd show you. Very, very kindly, they gave me a £30 voucher, which I used to get all of these bits. I think I spent like £1.50 or something in my own money, but yeah, I got a voucher from Cherryz, which I'm so happy about. I absolutely love working with Cherryz. They've got a great company. There's so many different things you can get on there. You can get food, you can get stationery, you can get cleaning stuff, you can get your washing up liquid, like literally anything you want. So I do have a discount code too, which I'll leave on screen, but if you guys want to go and place an order, make sure you use the code. I think it's 15% off, but it could be more. I'll leave all the details obviously on screen and in the description box for you guys. So, really exciting stuff. I got some Regina Blitz household towel. This is kitchen roll. I think it was £4 for these, but kitchen roll is well expensive and this is the best one, the Regina Blitz. I have got the Asda one going at the moment, but it's just not as good, so I had to get this in the little haul. I'll leave everything linked down below, obviously, for you guys, but yeah, had to get that. There's 2 in there, and it says 140 super-sized sheets, I think, per roll, so that's pretty good, if you ask me. I don't know what's in here. Let's find out. I literally have no idea what this is. Oh, this is so random, but I got the Schwarzkopf Got To Be Dry Shampoo, Instant Refresh, Extra Volume, Breezy Tropical Dry Shampoo. I'm not really a huge dry shampoo user, but I've started trying this like caffeine shampoo that I got from Home Bargains, and I found it leaves my hair a little bit greasy. I don't want to wash my hair too much, 3 times a week max, 2 if possible. So I thought this would be really good to try. I can't remember the price of it. But I will leave it linked down below for you. I'm excited to try it, and it says it's tropical. I can't smell it right now, but I will do like a review on my TikTok if I like it. So this is bent. Roll, that's fine, we can straighten up. I've straightened it right up. I got a pizza cutter and this is a pink handled one. I think this was like £1.50, but it's like the one thing we didn't have. I'm like, we're such pizza lovers. We might even get Domino's tonight, so that's going to come in handy. And I thought, you know, we need that. I love pizza. Just a handy thing to have, so I got that. £1.50 I'm pretty sure it was. There's pink and there's grey, so definitely check that out if you need a pizza cutter. So everything else is just like in here. So I'm just going to kind of go through it all. Sorry if it's really random. But I got these Mighty Blast drain sticks. There's 12 sticks in here, so 1 for each month. And it says for sinks, baths and showers, clean drain thoroughly before use of this product. Drop 1 drain stick down the plug hole. It's meant to like get rid of anything yucky in the drain, keep it smelling nice. You know, like drains, like they can be clean, like you can get everything out of them, but they just smell sometimes, and I thought these would be handy. They weren't very expensive at all, so I thought I would get them. Running a house is hard work, so I thought I would grab some of those. I got some Cif cream cleanser. I use this for our bath, I use this for the sinks, I use this for the sink in the kitchen. I use it for like the backsplash in the kitchen, the hob in the kitchen. It's so good. I've got a really big one at the moment that I got from Home Bargains. This is a smaller one, but I thought I may as well get it because I use it so much. I love Cif, and this is the lemon scent. Amazing. If you haven't tried Cif, you need to. It's incredible. My mum used to use it all the time in the bathroom, which is why I started using it, but it is incredible. It's really, really good for stainless steel. And then I also got some Astonish all-in-one dishwasher tablets. These are the lemon fresh ones. Again, 42 tablets in here. We're currently using the fairy ones, which are like a orange scent, and they were $6.99 from Home Bargains. I can't remember how much these ones were, but again, I'll leave a link down below. And there's 42 in there, so I thought, you know what? I need to grab the essentials that I hate buying. I hate buying dishwasher tablets. I hate buying kitchen roll. So I got these in the order. And then 2 things for our laundry. Again, I hate buying laundry things, but I have been loving this. We got this before we moved in, but we've been using the pink stuff. We used the gel to begin with, but we recently started trying the pink stuff Miracle Laundry Liquid. It's good for sensitive skin, and I suffer with eczema quite badly, so this is really, really good. I think it's about £3. You can get this in Aldi, or you can get it on Cherryz. Obviously, it's about the same price either way, but the pink stuff is really, really nice. This is meant to last you for 32 washes. It's really incredible. I don't feel any itchiness on my skin with my clothes, and it all smells amazing, so definitely recommend. And then equally for laundry, I got some more of the Lenore In-Wash Scent Booster in Summer Breeze, so like they're basically Unstoppables. I've been using this scent ever since we moved in. It's such a nice scent, and we're running low on ours, so I needed to get some so bad. These were $2.99, I believe, on Cherryz, and yeah, they've got all different scents, but this is my favourite scent. Literally, the clothes come out of the washing machine, and you're like, wow, that smells good. So definitely recommend those. So I've got 3 more bits of cleaning stuff, and then we're on to like food and that. So I got some 25 extra large refuse sacks, 50 litres. So our bin is a 40 litre, I believe, and we've just run out of black bags, so I got some from Cherryz. Not sure how strong they will be, but you know what, it doesn't really matter. So I got those. Can't remember the price of them, but again, I'll leave it all linked down below. But yeah, ran out of them pretty quickly. It does say strength strong, so there's standard strong, very strong, and ultimate strength. Probably could do very strong, but they'll do for now, because bin bags are very expensive. One thing I've learned since moving out, bin bags, expensive. You get like 20 for like £4, which is ridiculous. I also then got 2 packs of the Green Shield wipes. I think wipes are kind of handy when you're not deep cleaning, but you just want to keep things clean for a couple of days. So I got the Green Shield microwave and fridge freezer wipes. I thought these would be handy for like when I do the weekly shop, just like wiping down the fridge. If we use the microwave and something explodes, really, really handy. Really, really handy if something explodes in the microwave, and there's 70 wipes in there. And then the same for the Green Shield stainless steel wipes. Again, handy for like the bathroom, for the taps, the sink, and then also in the kitchen we've got like the backsplash and like the microwave as well. We've got like a mirrored front, and there's 70 in there, so I grabbed them just for like easiness. Then moving on to like food and drinks, I got a pack of the Mockate Gold Premium Cappuccino Chocolate Sachets. I really like cappuccinos in the winter, and I thought it'd be nice just to have those. We do have an espresso machine, but sometimes you just want like a basic coffee, so I thought I'd get those, and they're chocolate flavour, so I thought they'd be nice to try. And then I got 2 packs of these, which Pat absolutely loved in my last order, which I did over a year ago now. Again, leave a link down below. But I got these for Pat in the last order for his flat. I got this flavour. I think I got 3 flavours. So it's the Mockate Gold Iced Coffee Caramel. Last time I got him the caramel, mocha and white chocolate, and like him and his flatmate would share. His flatmate was also his best friend. I don't know whether to say flatmate or best friend, but you know, they would share, like they'd both have them. But I got 2 of the iced coffee caramel because we both like them, and there's 8 in there, so I got us them to have. Let me get out the screen, sorry. So I got those. We love coffee. Iced coffee is nice, so we got those. And then I also got some of the Lotus Biscoff cream biscuits. It's basically like a sandwich. So you get 2 biscuits on each side of the Lotus Biscoff spread, basically in the middle. So nice. So I had to get them. This morning we had like Belgian waffles, like chocolate and sugar waffles with, I had strawberries and Lotus Biscoff spread, and it was beautiful. I love Biscoff, you just can't beat it, can you? And then I got 2 packs of Jazzles. Growing up, I thought they were called Jazzies. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I thought they were called Jazzies. But we got 2 packs of the Jazzles. I got the normal milk chocolate and also the white chocolate ones because they are just beautiful, and they were like £1 each. And then last but not least, I had to get the Betty Crocker chocolate fudge brownie mix. I love brownies, and Betty Crocker mixes are just incredible, so I had to get that, and again, it wasn't expensive at all. So that is everything. The box is now empty and not heavy at all, but that's everything I got for £30. I think you can agree that's a lot of stuff for £30. I'm so happy with everything we got, and I can't wait to eat the chocolate. I can't wait to use the cleaning stuff and just have a nice clean, nice smelling house. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget, I've got a discount code. Again, I'll leave that on the screen for you and in the description box down below. If you guys like this kind of content, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I will see you all in the next video.